Navajo in the city. This is Davina, your hostess with the mostess. First thing is first. Thank you so much, NAPI, Navajo Agricultural Products Industry, for this item they donated to me. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make blue cornmeal muffins, blue cornmeal cornbread. This here is the Navajo product line. This is roasted cornmeal, blue cornmeal, not totlish. It is very, very good, so I think you're going to like this. So visit my friends, Navajo Pride, at www.navajopride.com, and also visit them on Facebook under Navajo Pride. All right, so we're back again. These are the ingredients for the blue cornmeal cornbread. I have half a cup of flour I put in here already. We're going to use 1.5 cups of the blue cornmeal. 1 tablespoon of the baking powder, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. Also a dash of salt. So we're gonna mix the dry ingredients first. And that is, got my flour in there, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, got that in there. Close that off. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let me wipe the baking powder off. Bring the cake closer, or sugar closer. And be generous with your 2 tablespoons of sugar. What you can do to substitute for sugar, some people sometimes will add syrup, a syrup of their choice. Little bit of salt. I'm gonna say that's probably 2 teaspoons. Next is my favorite part. It is the blue cornmeal. That is 1 cup. Now I'm gonna grab about half a cup more. A little bit too much. All right. So half a cup of that. I'm gonna mix that. What ingredients are the milk? 1 cup of milk. 2 eggs, and that 1/4 cup of butter, I already melted it, so I'm going to be putting it in the milk to save us a little bit of time. If you hear any noise in the background, that's going to be my girls. One of them is over here. You might not be able to see her, but she is cooking. So oven, I already have it ready at 400 degrees. We're gonna bake this for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna put it in a glass dish. It might take a little bit longer. Maybe it might take a little bit of less time. But you and I are gonna figure that out today. So, wet ingredients. Mix, 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 mix. That looks like it's mixed enough. Put out my paper towel. Then mix the dry ingredients. Nice and well. And there's some variations anytime you cook. So other people might add garlic in here. People sometimes will add green chili or serrano chilies. This is just the basic for blue cornmeal cornbread. And it is good. I like to mix very, very well my dry ingredients. I'm gonna make the mix now. Put in my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. And I actually am making this because in the future, guess what I'm going to make? Blue cornmeal stuffing. I found a recipe from a chef in Dallas. I think you're going to like it because once I read it, I'm very excited about it. It sounds so easy to make. So, mix, mix, mix very well. I'm getting all the clunks and balls out of here that are at the bottom. I'll do a close-up here in just a moment. Let me tell you what. I have a real strong sense of smell, so this blue cornmeal smells so good. I think I might have told you I got the roasted cornmeal. That's what I like best. Roasted blue cornmeal. All right. There are a lot of things I think you can do with this. if you put a little bit more liquid in here, whether it be a little bit more water or maybe even milk, I think you can make pancakes out of this because it has the same ingredients. I think if I was going to make pancakes out of this, the only thing I would add is probably vanilla. You can do the same thing. So let me just show this to you, the pre-mixture already. Doesn't that look scrumptious? All right. So I have my glass dish prepared already with oil on the sides. Give me a cake mixer spatula thing, babe. And we're gonna pour this in here. This doesn't take long. This is very easy. Your kids can help you make this. Your teenagers can help you make this. We're gonna pour this in here. So I was telling you that stuffing calls for 8 cups of blue cornmeal bread. Cornbread, blue cornbread. I think I got it right by now. So blue cornmeal, it requires 8. So I really wanted to test, once I get done with this, how many cups this one here is going to make. So I'm going to throw this in the oven. I shall be right back. All right, so it is out of the oven. It smells so good. And I think I have to tell the truth. We ate a couple already. So it is so good. It came out really good in the glass dish, the casserole dish in the glass. So I put it in there 400 degrees for 25 minutes, and that's all it took. When it was done, I took it out for only a few minutes to cool down. We started cutting into it, and it's delicious. Ayotakan. 2 things. It is not that sweet. So this is more for like soups, and especially the stuffing I'm going to make. This is going to be for that. It's not too sweet. If you like your cornbread very sweet, I suggest you add more sugar to it. But let me show you what it looks like up close and personal. Doesn't that look deluxious? Nice and bluish. Came out really good. You see a little bit of brown tinge from the pan. It is good. It's so easy to make. It doesn't take too long. Make it. Give it a try. I think you're going to really like it. So don't forget, visit my friends Navajo Pride on Facebook and NavajoPride.com. Give it a try. Let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget, make sure you share this video, make sure you comment, and also like it, because it takes a lot of time to do the videos. And I love to do it anyway. So help me out. Hakoshina, keep in touch. Thank you.